Hi, Kelly Fitzmaurice here.
And I'm Lucia, Pham.
We are with the K Grant Group, and we are at our beautiful new listing in Mesa.
We've got a 918 square foot townhome with 2 bedrooms, 1 bath. Let's take a look around.
I don't know if you've been watching the news lately, but the Fiesta Mall has a lot of redevelopment going on, and this townhome is walking distance to the Fiesta Mall. Also, there are no rental restrictions, so if you would like more information on this townhome and community, get a hold of me, Kelly Fitzmaurice.
Or me, Lucia, Pham, with the K Grant Group.